In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slider in Webflow in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to add an interactive and visually appealing element to your website, a slider can be a great choice. So let's dive in and transform your web page with a sleek slider. First, open up your Webflow project and navigate to the specific page where you'd like to include the slider. It's important to have an idea of where it will fit within your layout to streamline the process. Moving over to the left panel, you'll find the Add button, represented by a plus sign. Give it a click to reveal the Components section. This is where Webflow houses all the essential elements needed to enrich your website. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the slider element under Components. Once you've located it, you're going to drag and drop this element right onto your page. It's as simple as it sounds, and it immediately places an interactive section you can start customizing. Upon adding the slider, you'll see a set of default slides appear within it. These slides are your canvas. Click on each one individually to infuse them with content. Whether it's images, text, or call to action buttons, each slide can hold whatever you imagine. This versatility allows you to tell a story or highlight key features efficiently. Next, it's time to refine how your slider operates. Locate the slider settings by clicking on the gear icon. This is where you adjust the functionality to suit your needs. You have options like setting the autoplay feature if you want the slides to move automatically. You can determine slide duration, deciding how slowly or quickly each transition happens. This is also the place to tweak your navigation arrows or dots, customizing how users will interact with your slider. Now let's make it visually appealing. Head over to the Style panel. Here you get to play with colors, adjust sizes, and manage spacing to align with your site's overall aesthetic and design. Taking the time to style your slider can dramatically affect how it complements the rest of your content. So have fun experimenting with different looks. Once you've styled it to perfection, it's time to see it in action. Preview your site to test the slider's functionality. Navigate through the slides, check if they autoplay smoothly, and ensure user interactions like clicking arrows or dots feel just right. After confirming everything is operating as desired, you're ready to share your creation with the world. Go ahead and publish your site when you're satisfied. Now you have a beautiful interactive slider integrated seamlessly into your Webflow project, enhancing the user experience and presentation of your content.